This farm runs without human hands.
No farmers, no feeding by hand.
Even feeding is automated.
Robots move through the farm.
They monitor every animal.
Tracking movement, behavior, health.
This entire farm operates with unprecedented efficiency and precision.
And this is the future of farming.
This is a fully automated Chinese bamboo rat farming system.
Every section is connected.
Each unit is part of a larger system. From feeding stations
To automated delivery lines.
everything is precisely controlled.
Sensors monitor the environment.
Climate is managed automatically.
Robots coordinate every task. All data is tracked in real time.
And everything works together as one system.
This system controls the entire habitat.
Each cage is designed for stability.
Airflow is constantly adjusted.
Light cycles are controlled.
The floor is built for hygiene. Robots maintain the environment.
Fresh air is continuously supplied.
Every unit stays consistent.
The animals stay comfortable.
The system detects changes instantly.
Adjustments happen automatically.
This is a fully optimized living environment. Feeding in this farm is fully automated.
Everything starts here.
The system prepares every meal. Each portion is controlled.
Then it's delivered.
The robot finds the exact position.
And places the food. And places the food.
The animal responds naturally.
All cages are fed at the same time.
It records behavior.
Everything is logged.
The system runs continuously.
Every animal gets exactly what it needs.
Water control is also fully automated.
Every enclosure receives a measured supply.
Robots check the delivery lines in real time. Water is dispensed only when needed.
The farm tracks hydration automatically.
The system also keeps every line clean.
If anything fails, the farm detects it instantly.
Cleaning in this farm is fully automated.
The system removes waste without disturbing the animals.
Each enclosure is designed for fast extraction. The robot locks onto the tray. And transfers it out of the cage. Waste moves through a closed system. Loose material is cleaned automatically.
A fresh tray goes back in immediately.
The system sanitizes the contact areas. Sensors confirm the enclosure is clean.
Collected waste is sorted automatically.
Nothing is left exposed. The entire cleaning cycle runs without human labor.
That means cleaner cages, lower contamination, and a more stable system.
Every animal here is constantly monitored.
The system watches everything.
and analyzed instantly.
It tracks behavior patterns.
Even small changes matter.
Sensors collect additional data.
Temperature is monitored.
Robots assist with health checks.
The system detects unusual patterns.
All data is processed in real time.
Every animal is monitored individually. If something changes,
The system can respond.
Before a human would even notice.
This is AI-driven livestock monitoring. The system also manages reproduction.
Each pairing happens in a monitored environment.
Behavior is observed continuously. The habitat is kept calm and consistent.
This area is designed for stability and low stress.
Once conditions change, the system shifts to protective monitoring.
All updates are logged and supervised by AI.
the farm manages each stage automatically. Even reproduction is managed as part of one fully automated system. Behind the system is a central data hub.
Every enclosure is monitored in real time. All data is processed instantly.
Behavior is tracked over time. The system runs itself.
The system responds immediately.
This farm is controlled by data, not people.
This data clearly illustrates the key benefits. Now, moving on to why this truly matters, let's review the 6 detailed prompts.
This system reduces human labor completely.
Everything runs with precision. There's no guesswork.
The animals live in consistent conditions. Problems are detected early.
And the system works 24 hours a day. This entire farm runs on its own.
Every task is automated.
The system never stops. This is more than a farm.
It's the future of farming. Would you trust robots to run it?